In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in so you can access your records. Once you're inside the dashboard, the goal is to navigate to the area where your lead information is stored, because that's where tag management for a specific lead can be updated. From the main CRM interface, click on Leads. This will open the list of lead records in your account. Take a moment to find the specific lead you want to work with. Tags are often used to organize contacts, group similar records, or make searching and filtering easier, so keeping them accurate and up to date is important for maintaining a clean CRM. When you've located the correct lead, look for the three dots next to that lead record. This is usually the More Options menu, and it contains additional actions you can perform for that entry. Click those three dots and then choose Edit Tags from the menu. This will open the tag editing area for that lead. Here, you can rename an existing tag by selecting the one you want to change and entering the new name. Be sure to type the updated tag carefully so it matches your naming style and stays consistent with the rest of your CRM. Using clear, standardized tags can save time later when you need to sort leads, run searches, or track categories across your team. After entering the new tag name, quickly review it before saving. This is a good habit because even a small typo can create confusion or lead to duplicate tag variations in your system. If everything looks correct, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, the updated tag should now appear on that lead record. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other leads to keep your tagging system organized and easy to manage. That's all it takes to edit tags in Zoho CRM. It's a simple update, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you organize and find your lead information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.